total education trading cost 51, out of which profit cost was 48 and loss cost was only 0 and 3. Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Mata Di. Hello, good evening everyone. This is Rahul Prakash from Best Intraday Stocks for today and tomorrow. So guys, in this video I am going to analyze top 20 best intraday stocks for tomorrow's trading session, and I am going to disclose today's educational trading session's result. But before proceeding into the result, I would like to just remember my God by the following lines. कर भरोसा राधे नाम का धोखा कभी न खाएगा, कर भरोसा राधे नाम का धोखा कभी न खाएगा, हर मौके पर श्री कृष्ण कन्हैया, हर मौके पर श्री कृष्ण कन्हैया, घर सबसे पहले तेरे आएगा. जय श्री राधे, जय माता दी. Hello, good evening everyone. This is Rahul Prakash from Best Intraday Stocks for today and tomorrow. So guys, in this video I am going to disclose today's educational trading session's result first. After that, I will keep my views for tomorrow's educational trading sessions, best intraday stocks for tomorrow's trading educational sessions. So have a very fast look on today's trading educational sessions result. So I provide you total education trading cost 51, out of which profit cost for 48 and loss cost for only 0 and 3. So equity cash cost I provided you total 21, option cost 8, and future cost 6, and Nifty and Bank Nifty cost 16. So first I would like to keep my views on my YouTube picks, which I provide you in the pre-open market analysis. So first pick was my Kotak Mahindra Bank, 1781 to 1800, and those who are entered at 1776, they may have booked their profit around 1786. Imami 473.30 to 501, ICICI Securities 396.10 to 399. Next is APL Apollo Dips 1357 to 1410, HDFC Bank 1505 to 1562, IGL 506.10 to 518. Next is GSW Steel 466 to 462.20, Bajaj Finance 5250 to 5150. Next is Bajaj Auto 3602 to 3583. Next is Bajaj Auto 3602 to 3583. Next is Hindalco 327 to 329.25. APL Tire Apollo Tire 226.60 to 227.25. APL Tire Apollo Tire 226.60 to 227.25. So Apollo Tire was in loss. Okay. Next is Axis Bank 703 to 691. Exide Industry 184.20 to 186.85. Jindal Steel 333.50 to 340.90. NTPC 186.65 to 108.70. Divisap 3546 to 3600. Next is HUL Hindustan Unilever 2385 to 2406. Next is Cipla 799 to 815.90. Next is Muthoot Finance 1225 to 1227.75. Kajaria 916 to 946. Jubilant Food 2009-23 to 2940. So all this was equity cash call. So I provided you 21 equity cash calls, out of which one call was in loss, and that is my Apollo Tire. Okay. So next is option trades. So option trades, first call was Cipla 800 call 27.40 to 37, lot size 1320 per lot. Next is Grazin 1420 call 61.50 to 66, lot size 950 quantities per lot. PVR 1220 put 85 to 86.60, lot size 407 quantities per lot. All Pharma 860 call 43 to 43.40, lot size 650. I have concluded this in loss. Okay, so Next is DLF 270 की put 8.40 to 11.30. Sun TV 470 की call 22.50 to 23.65. Next is lot size 1500 quantities per lot. So next is ONGC 100 की 105 की call 5.60 to 6.15. Lot size 7700 quantities per lot. So next is Cipla 800 की call 31 to 37 lot size 1300 quantities per lot. So next is future trade GSW Steel Food 466 to 464.60. Bharti Airtel Food 529 to 530.45 lot size 1851 quantities per lot. Axis Bank Food 704.40 to 712.50 lot size 200 quantities per lot. Ginger Steel Food 333.60 to 342.60 lot size 5000 quantities per lot. Next is Cipla Food 803 to 822 lot size 1300 quantities per lot. Muthoot Finance 1227.05 to 1242 lot size 750 quantities per lot. So next is my favorite segment, Nifty and Bank Nifty trade. So first one is Bank Nifty 34,000 की call 380 to 420. Bank Nifty 33,800 की call 400 to 539. Bank Nifty 33,400 की put 320 to 348. Bank Nifty 33,600 की call 550 to 662. Bank Nifty 34,000 की call 390 to 420. Bank Nifty 33,300 की put was in loss. Okay, so next is Nifty 14,700 की call 103 to 233. Bank Nifty 34,000 की call 326.80 to 420. And those who have entered around 322, they may have booked their profit around 370 or 380. Okay, high was 380. So this was given as a Maha jackpot call of Bank Nifty or Bank Nifty 34,000 की call. Okay, this was given as a Maha jackpot call also. So next is Bank Nifty 33,800 की call 445 to 539. Nifty 15,000 की call 20 to 57.80. I provided you this call as a Geo or Hero for Nifty. So next is 14,650 की put 90.80 to 95. Nifty 14,650 की put 90.80 to 95. Next is Bank Nifty 33,500 की put 340 to 375. So next is Bank Nifty 33,600 की put 370 to 423 March jackpot. I provide you 3,000. So Bank Nifty 33,600 की put I provide you as a March jackpot call of Bank Nifty. So March jackpot put of Bank Nifty. Okay, 33,600 की put from 370 to 423. So next is Bank Nifty 33,800 की call 400 to 500. Next is Bank Nifty 34,200 की call 261 to 330. So next is Bank Nifty 34,100 की call from 340 to 370. So all this was today's trading educational result. So total educational trading cost I provide you 50, out of which profit cost was 48 and loss cost was 03. So equity cash cost 21, option cost 8, future cost 6, and Nifty and Bank Nifty cost were 16. So now have a very fast look on tomorrow's best 20 intraday stocks for tomorrow's trading session. So my first pick from Nifty 50 is Kotak Mahindra Bank. We can go for the buy side in Kotak Bank only above 1782. Only above 1782. So what we have to do, we have to just go for the buy side in Kotak Mahindra Bank only above 1782. It is formed twice W pattern. It is ready to go up. It may shoot up, it may fly up only above 1782. If you just found the dips also, then also you can enter for the buy side in Kotak Mahindra Bank. So next is Tata Consumer. we can go for the buy side in Tata Consumer only about 628. If you found the dip also around 620, then also you can go for the buy side. Every dip will provide you the opportunity for the buying side only. Okay, so what you have to do only, you have to just go for the buy side in Tata Consumer. So next is HDFC, we can go for the buy side in HDFC only above 2605. So we can go for the buy side in HDFC only above 2605. If you found the dips also, if market opens at little gap down, or this stock or HDFC just open a gap down around 2580 also, then you can also go for the buy side in HDFC around 2580. Okay. So next is HUL, Hindustan Unilever. You can go for the buy side in HUL only above 2400. If market opens in the gap down also, then also you can enter for the buying side in Hindustan Unilever. Okay, so next is HDFC Bank. We can go for the buy side in HDFC Bank only above 1555. If the market if this is stock, if HDFC opens in the gap down also around 1520 or 1530, then also you can go for the buy side only in HDFC Bank. Wherever it is open, you have to just wait for the closing of green candlesticks, and then you can go for the buy side in HDFC Bank. Okay, so next is, my view is only for the buy side, okay, not for the sell side in HDFC Bank also. So Infosys, we can go for the sell side in Infosys only below 1400. Okay, if you found the level of 1395 or 1400 or 1398, then what you have to do, you have to just go for the sell side. Okay, you can go for the short for Infosys. Okay, so next is Axis Bank. We can go for the buy side in Axis Bank only above 695. Next is OFFS, Oracle Financial Services. We can go for the buy side in Oracle Financial Services only about 3650. Next is from Nifty FMCG sector. I have selected Imami for the buying side only about 493. So next is Jubilant Food. We can go for the buy side in Jubilant Food only above 2956. Okay, so next is Marico. We can go for the buy side in Marico only above 408. So next is Britannia. We can go for the sell side in Britannia only below 3616. What you have to do, you have to just wait for the closing of red candlesticks on the time frame of 15 minutes. Okay, then you can go for the sell side in Britannia only below 3616. So next is Dabur. We can go for the buy side in Dabur only above 541. So next is from service sector. I have selected ICICI GI. We can go for the buy side in ICICI GI only above 1432. So next is Adani Green. We can go for the buy side in Adani Green only above 1160. Next is Petronet LNG. We can go for the buy side in Petronet LNG only about 227. So next is Oberoi Realty. So now is so two stocks I selected from the Nifty Realty sector. First is my Oberoi Realty. We can go for the buy side in Oberoi Realty only above 556. Okay, so next is Brigade Enterprise. We can go for the buy side in Brigade Enterprise only about 282. Please, it is a request. Please, you have to just follow the levels. If you are respecting, if you are really respecting the levels, then only you can make the profit in this market. Okay, So you have to just respect the levels. Okay. Next is Apollo. Next is APL Apollo Dukes. We can go for the buy side and APL Apollo Dukes on level 1396. Next and last stock is VEDR. We can go for the buy side and VEDR on level 230. So that's all for today. Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Mata Di.